I'm going to show you how to isolate one color in CapCut. Here in CapCut, this is the video we'll be working with. I'll leave the link in the description for you to download. First, select the video and go to the right menu. Click on Adjustment, then click on the HSL tab. In this tab, we have the flexibility to adjust individual colors. For instance, if we want to keep only the blue color and remove the rest, all you need to do is desaturate all the other colors by moving their sliders to -100. The only color we'll keep is blue. When you do that, only your chosen color will remain. If you want to keep only the red color, make sure to desaturate all the other colors except red. Besides saturation, you can also adjust the tint and lightness of individual colors. If I move the red tint slider to the left, the color changes to pink. If I move it to the right, it becomes a muted orange. Moving on to saturation. Moving the slider to the right adds more color, and moving it to the left removes color. Lastly, the lightness slider controls how dark or light you want a particular color to be. Bonus tip: when we saturate the red color, notice how even the lips of our subject and the flower are affected. If you want the subject not to be affected, this is what you should do. First, bring the saturation back to normal. Then, duplicate the video track by holding Alt or Command and move the video track up to create a copy. Next, select the top video, go to the right menu, click on Video, then click on Remove BG and select Auto Removal. This process will take a couple of seconds. To check if the subject has been isolated from the background, hide the main track by clicking the eye icon. As you can see, this trick works well with the subject, but not so well with the flower. However, if you have a pro account, you can refine your selection. Let's turn the main track back on. Next, select the main video, go to the right menu, click on Adjustment, then click on HSL. This time, when we desaturate the red, you'll notice that the lips and the flower are not affected. You can click on the top video and even increase the saturation of the lips and flower. You can do this for any color you want to protect on the subject. For more CapCut tricks, click on the video on the screen.